In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subscriptions on Squarespace. This is a great feature if you're looking to add subscription services to your online store, allowing you to build a more reliable revenue stream while offering convenience to your regular customers. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you have a solid understanding of the process. First, you need to access your store page. Head over to the Pages panel on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your site pages, and of course, locate the store page where your products reside. Once you're in the Pages panel, find and select your store page. You'll notice a list of all the products you currently have, ready to receive some subscription magic. Now, let's add or edit a product. If you're introducing a new item, click the plus button. This action allows you to add a new product to your store. However, if you want to set up a subscription for an existing product, just double-click on that product. This will open the product editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the product editor, scroll down until you see the inventory section. Here, you'll find a button labeled Subscription. Click on it, and this will enable the subscription option for that particular product. It's the key step in transforming your standard product offering into an engaging subscription service. Now it's time to set the subscription details, which is a critical part for both customer attraction and retention. Under Purchase Options, you get to decide if your product is available as a one-time purchase, as a subscription only, or as both. This flexibility is excellent as it caters to a wide range of customer preferences. Next, carefully select your billing cycle. Depending on the nature of your product, you might choose weekly renewals or perhaps monthly. You can also specify the number of billing cycles, or if you prefer, set it to Never Expires for a continuous, indefinite renewal of your service. This decision can greatly affect the customer experience, so consider what works best for your business model and your customers' needs. To sweeten the deal, consider adding a subscription discount. It's optional, but very effective in encouraging sign-ups. Offering a slight discount over the one-time purchase can be a great incentive for customers to subscribe, providing excellent value while increasing your subscription base. Once you've set all the necessary options and you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget to save your changes. Just click the Save button and your subscription settings will be applied. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up subscriptions on Squarespace. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your store with subscription services that can engage customers and boost your business. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.